Let's go get some food.
Painting Easter eggs is fun. I know, right? Oh, I'm going to paint I'm going to paint a smiley face. Oh, that's a good idea.
Can I eat you, please?
No. Oh, how about an Easter egg hunt? Whoever wins gets to eat the other person. Okay, but I'll win.
Hello and welcome to the most amazing Easter egg hunt in all of Easter 2019 for the life of whoever gets to eat the other person. It's Lego versus Dino. Whoever finds the most Easter eggs gets to eat the other person. Okay, son. Oh, I think I found one.
Okay. I found one. Aha! Ah, amazing work.
Billy, this is terrible. You're fired. You're fired.
Okay.
Time is up. And the winner is Dino with 4 Easter eggs found. And now they will get to eat the other person.
How do you feel about getting to eat Lego guys? Are they tasty?
And now I get to
Retreat!